Thank God we are finally out of the forest. I told you that was only a test. Life won't give you what you cannot handle. However, if you try running away from what life gives you, you are going to end up getting injured. That is just the consequences. This is why I advise people to always stay and go through the fire. Don't run.
You are welcome to my laboratory. I am happy that we didn't die from the forest stress. You were there for me. Thank God you were there to talk to me. I appreciate your words. I learned a lot. Thanks again. I hope we shall work together to enhance ourselves.
Thanks for welcoming me into your laboratory. I will join in your personal research. I will help. You also a kinda nice person. Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Okay. I am also single. We would make a good match. Don't you think?
So fast. Mr. John, that was really funny.
Thank God. I have finally taken my bath. I love wearing this particular set of clothes. I have a lot of them in my wardrobe.
That's similar to what I love too. I love this particular set of clothes I am wearing. I have over 5,000 pairs of this cloth I am wearing. We have a lot in common. I think what brought us together is something that is intentional about something. Maybe you will be of help to me.
I have some connections to an Egyptian laboratory. Maybe they will help you with details that you may use in finding the cure to death or that disease you talked about. I will take you there.
Thanks. No wonder life did all that it could so we can meet. Some bad things happen to open more doors to other better things. We call them bad because of our poor perception.
This is why we must try to understand life and why things happen to us.
We love this conjugate. We owe this life a lot. We strive to make life fun and conjugate will help our home. This earth we stay and all that lives in it. We love the waters and all it's got to give. In all we shall obey the conjugate. We see conjugate, conjugate. We owe this life a lot. Conjugate, conjugate. We owe this life a lot. Conjugate, conjugate.